Kevin G, weather overview, and it looks like the first coastal storm of the season is upon us. We're going to have a long duration coastal storm. I think the most confident I am in the forecast probably would be from Thursday and Friday, but not so much for the weekend. It's just going to be a wait and see type of thing, and I'll show you why. As we look at the current temperatures outside, here's a surface map. We have the high pressure over us right now, providing cool weather and fair weather. But now we have a storm that's organizing off the mid-Atlantic coast. This is AccuWeather.com. And this storm is basically going to get stuck over the next 4 to 5 days and possibly beyond that. And it's going to lash the area with periods of rain, wind, and coastal flooding. It's not going to be overly excessive. It's just going to be a long duration event. I would say at least from Thursday through Saturday, but quite possibly we could be dealing with this storm early into next week, and I'll show you why. Here's the weather map off of NOAA, and this is for Friday morning. And a big high pressure system is going to basically block this storm from going out to sea. We see this a lot in the fall and the winter, and this is going to be no different. This storm by Monday has barely moved. If anything, it has drifted south. And there's a very good possibility that there'll be enough resistance by next Monday so that the storm comes back towards the region as that cold front over the Midwest advances in and finally sweeps it away. But it won't be till like Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. It won't be raining all the time, but where it does and when it does is going to be a factor, especially along the coast. This may be the end of the mini drought or the beginning of the end that we have been harping on for the last month or two. If you've been watching along with me, it has been dreadfully dry across Long Island and coastal Connecticut and the Jersey Shore, but that's about to come to an end, especially along the New Jersey coast. They are going to get inundated. This Euro model is showing 4 inches of rain from Thursday through Monday. That's a 5-day period. NOAA's interpretation shows basically the same thing, although the heaviest axis of the rain is over the Delmarva. Long Island and New York City and points to the north should not get into the heaviest rain, but there's still an outside chance. You can't rule it out. I'll show you what I think in a minute with the rain as far as this is concerned. Now, this is the old run of the Intellicast.com temps from Sunday, and this is pretty wild. Look at Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is the old run where they have 67, 68. New run. Lower 60s and a raw easterly wind with periods of rain Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I don't know about that 67. I think that 67 is going to be a goner once we get closer to the actual date. So this is the period from Thursday through Saturday morning only. Thursday through Saturday morning only. I think 2 to 3 inches of rain falls across Metro New Jersey, Long Island. 1 to 2 as you go inland, and then along the Jersey coast, over 3 inches of rain could fall in that 48-hour period. So the bottom line is with all this is we have a long duration storm. It is going to take a long time for this to clear, and it is going to cause minor coastal flooding, beach erosion, and the Thursday through Saturday period is the time to watch right now, but I'm very uncertain for the period Saturday through Monday. Right now, if you believe NOAA, they're kind of backing things off on Saturday and Sunday and then reintroducing chances of precipitation as that storm drifts north again. But it is a low confidence forecast. It's one that you want to stay tuned for. It looks like, if anything, this is a dreary, damp weekend, at least to start, and possibly beyond. Frequent updates on blogspot.com and terrifically talented tweets on Twitter at KevStormNYC.